Today I'm going to show you how to make a summer fruits pudding. You will need 750 grams of mixed summer fruits. I have used 230 grams of raspberries, 400 grams of blackcurrants and 120 grams of strawberries. You could also use cherries, red currants or blackberries as well. 120 grams of caster sugar, 7 to 8 slices of bread and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. If you don't have orange juice, you can use water. In a saucepan, put in your sugar, your orange juice, and all of your fruits except the strawberries. Then cook over a medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until the juices of the fruit have come out of the fruit. Then take off the heat, and at that point you want to add your strawberries and just give it a good mix in. Then drain the juice off from your cooked fruit into a separate bowl. Having already lined a bowl with a couple of layers of cling film, just make sure that the cling film does go over the edges of your bowl. This will make it much easier to get your pudding out afterwards. Cut the crusts off of your bread. Then cut the bread into a smaller shape, so either triangles or small rectangles, and dip the bread into your fruit juice. Just make sure it's soaked up all that fruit juice into the bread, and then line your bowl. Once your bowl is lined with bread, add your fruit into the middle. And then you want to line the top with more bread dipped in the fruit juice. And if you have space in your pudding, which mine doesn't, just add any additional fruit juice onto the top of your top layer of bread. Then put a plate on top of your pudding with weights on, so I've just used tins from the cupboard, and pop in the fridge, ideally overnight, but for a minimum of 6 hours at least. Once it's been left in the fridge for as long as it needs to be, then simply take it out of the bowl onto a plate, so the flat side goes onto the plate. And there you have it. That's how you make summer fruits pudding.